Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge a Nissan Leaf electric car. Park the car, engage the parking brake, and turn off accessories before opening the charge port. Confirm the inlet is clear and remove any debris or obstructions. Choose a charging cable type and inspect connectors for damage. If using public charging, check connector compatibility and station status in the app before starting the session. Plug into a level 2 charger for the best home charging experience, but a standard 120V outlet will work for slow top-ups. Make sure your charger is installed on a dedicated, grounded circuit by a qualified electrician. Open the Leaf charge port, align the connector, and press until the latch clicks. Start the session from the car or charger app and monitor the charging indicator until it reaches your desired state of charge. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces off your seats while you charge, perfect for road trips or overnight charging sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When you need a quick boost, locate a compatible public charger via your car or a mobile app and verify payment options. For rapid top-ups, use a CHAdeMO DC fast charger with the Leaf. Plug in and follow the station prompts to initiate charging. Keep an eye on battery temperature indicators and try to limit repeated DC fast charging to preserve long-term battery health and efficiency for daily driving needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.